Hi students, myself Neeraj Mr. Uh, again returned to write back with a new video in which I am going to explain one important topic of the Windows operating system. The topic is related to how to make a folder or file hidden from the desktop or from any place in the computer. In the computer folder. Uh, Actually, this one activity is quite easy, but maybe quite important to you because you ever want to make your folder hidden from the area where you have created your folder. So let us know about the steps is to hide a particular folder or file from the area, from the place. Students, here a particular folder named test is appearing, and also a file weekly or something is appearing onto the desktop. So suppose we require to make a folder test, hidden from the area, hidden from the desktop. Then how can we make the folder hidden from the desktop? The first one thing, if we require to make the folder hidden from the desktop, we'll have to bring the mouse pointer near to the folder to which we want to hide. Right click on the desktop onto the icon of right click onto the folder to which we require to hide. Now we'll see the shortcut menu appeared here. Bring the mouse pointer near to the property options, command options. Clicking the property command options will open the property dialog box of the related folder. Now bring the mouse pointer. General tab must be opened because there are the different tabs here. So the general tab should be opened, and in the general tab, the last section you will see there is an options hidden, before which a checkbox is given. So bring the mouse pointer near to the checkbox and click into it. And after that have to bring the mouse pointer near to the apply button and click over it. After clicking this button, other one dialog box also appeared, that is the confirm attribute changes. This is the confirmation dialog box. Here you have to click on OK because you require to. You will see here, do you want to apply this changes to this folder only, or do you want to apply it to all subfolder and files as well? So as the options prefer, you can simply have to choose either of these two options. Apply changes to this one folder only, or apply changes to the folders and the subfolders. Subfolders means the folder which are present in the folder are called subfolders. So whether this one property will be applied also onto the subfolder which are present in this one folder or not. If you require to apply this one setting in the subfolder of the same folder, then we'll have to choose the second one and go to the OK button and click over it. After that you will see now you are looking, the folder has now been and disappeared from the screen. So this way we can hide a folder, we can make the folder hidden from the desktop. Second one, how to make a file hidden from the desktop. Right click onto the file icon, go to the property option, have to adopt the same way. General tab should be opened because this is the dialog box, so property dialog box of the related file. Bring the mouse pointer near to the hidden option and click in its checkbox. The checkbox of the hidden option should be active, and after that have to apply. After applying this one options, you will see now the file which was present here is now have been vanished, have now been disappeared. Clicking OK. So this way we can simply make your file or folder hidden from the location. But suppose you require to bring again the same folder, bring out or unhide the same folder and should be displayed onto the area, then how can we do it? First of all, have to click onto this PC. Now the dialog box of this PC application has now been opened. Bring the mouse pointer near to the view tab, click here. After clicking, you will see here some command options are present. Bring the mouse pointer near to the options command option and click here change folder and search option. Okay, so folder options dialog box is now appear. Bring the mouse pointer near to the view and click. This is the general view and search tab. Click onto the view tab, and in view tab in the advanced setting area you will see there is an options hidden files and folders. This is the options here. Don't show hidden files, folders or drives, means the folder which have been made hidden from the location should not be displayed, or show hidden files, folder and drives, means the files or folders which have been hidden must be displayed. So click means have to select this one option, show hidden file, folder and drives, and apply. After applying this one options and OK, you will see now the files and the folders, whatever the file or the files or folders that have been made hidden from the area now displaying here. This was the folder and this was the file which were hidden from the desktop. So let us again have to change the property of this folder and this file. Right click on to the test folder. The shortcut menu of the test folder appeared. Bring the mouse pointer near to the property options. Clicking here, the property dialog box will appear. And now click into the general tab. General tab is active. Now I have to bring the pointer here and now have to again click this one hidden box, because this one box is treated as a toggle box. Clicking once will be active, again clicking will be deactive, means again clicking will move the tick mark from the hidden box, and if you click here the tick mark will be present. So have to remove the tick mark from this place, again have to click here. Now the tick mark from the hidden place has been now omitted, and after that have to apply, means now the file, now the attribute of the file has been changed. Now it is an unhide folder. Same way have to apply onto the weekly file folder, weekly file file. This is the file, sorry, okay, yes, perhaps this one was the file which was hidden. Right click here, bring the mouse pointer near to the property. Now you are looking here, hidden is selected, so unselect, uncheck from the box and apply. Okay, now these two files are unhidden, but I have to apply the same setting, that is the default setting of the computer, means the hidden files should not be displayed. So that's why we'll have to change the setting again. Click here, again have to click into the view menu, go to the options, change folder and search options, bring the mouse pointer near to the view, and don't show hidden file, folders or drives. Better have to choose restore default, means the changing which has been made in this one section should be restored by default, should be restored default. So this is the restore default setting, but if you require you may also have to manual changing the options from here. If you click here don't show hidden file, folders or drives, it will be default setting. Applying this one, changing. Okay, so this one way you can make your file or folder hidden or unhide or hide from the as desktop or from anywhere in the computer.